Sup, we're backing up, hey guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's what's Northwestern doing some more switching right now. Here we go.
Private cross back here. Two more. And a one. We're actually stopping to anywhere in here is fine.
Taking a pretty good cut of tankers today, that's for sure.
A little pin back.
Maybe not.
I do a
Nope, yeah. Oh, he is taking all these tankers. A lot of tankers. Look at that. Maybe he's still doing switching. I don't know.
8-4. Three.
Nope, he's gonna do some more switching
And
here,
a one.
guys. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph and Landon out. Sup, we're back in that video, guys. I'm Ralph and Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern doing some more switching right now. Here we go. He's gonna stop a few cars on the other track. The round track is what they call it, I believe. Or something like that, anyway. A lot of tankers, I'll tell you what. And just gonna take one or two cars, not all of these. I don't know.
3. Stop. And 1.
There we go.
Offside. And that's switch perfect.
There he stops. He's just gonna take two, like pretty usual, but we'll find out. Might just be taking two, which makes more sense. All of these tankers, but let's wait and see, I guess. Huh. He's right over here, you just can't see him.
They had a big half. They had a big half.
Come on, train. Don't complain. Yeah, they're taking all of these, except the one way back there.
20 feet.
Or maybe, no, wait.
10 more. And that'll be.
No, maybe not. Maybe it's separating them, just switching ahead of time. I don't know.
Yeah, put a big set on them for me if you would, please.
Possibly 2 or 3. 1 and 2. I don't know. Find out. What he's doing, but find out. Conductors are walking back this way. However, say I just can't see him that great right now. He's walking back to the cab, so maybe he is taking all. I don't know. I don't think he's taking all of these though. It's an awful lot for that little engine to carry. Maybe not. Oh yeah, he's cutting it right at this tanker right there. That tanker. He's putting that brakes on the cars, it looks like. Maybe not, I don't know. Find out what he does. It might just be taking 2, I don't know. Yep, taking 2 cars, it looks like now. Pretty obvious. Yep, just sticking 2 today.
Stay ahead for switches. Stay ahead.
Right. Still switching. Oh, he's gonna pick up this one and finally bring the Fillmore. Maybe, I don't know. We'll wait and see, I guess. Huh. Weird. It's taking way longer than normal, but that's typical of railroads, so. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph Finland out. Sup, back in the video guys, I'm Ralph Finland. Here is Hamilton Northwestern right now, doing a little bit more switching yet before I can officially depart. Look, negative says pick up this one Fillmore transloading car, and then I'm assuming he is working Fillmore, so that's gonna be kind of a bummer. Might run out of time today, we'll see. But he hasn't worked Fillmore in a couple of days, so maybe almost a week now they haven't worked at Fillmore. So yeah, here we go.
Copy. And 1. Half. 20. 10.
He is doing work at Fillmore. guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph and Land out.